Hey guys, remember this bell? Ooh. It's all plugged in and all that cool stuff. Let's see it work. It works. How about that? My first real fire alarm. Guess it doesn't count as a fire alarm, but whatever. As to just show you the quick setup, just plugged into that with an extension cord, and so yeah, I'm not plugging this directly into the wall because it's probably dangerous, but it works, I assure you. Just wanted to mention how awesome my dad is, because I got another big surprise coming your way. So I'm going to be the envy of the fire alarm world. No, I'm just kidding. Well, thanks for watching and goodbye.